Mrs. Sawyer here. Today what I want to show you is how to approach your contour line drawing of your hand. A contour line drawing is the outside lines of an object. So when you do a contour line drawing, you are drawing those outside lines. There is usually no shading, no value, no color. It's just a line drawing. So one of your jobs was to draw a hand that is flat. All right, so I am going to start, I always like to start at one end or the other. I'm going to start with my pinky, way over here. And I am observing, I am looking at all of those outside lines that define my hand. And I have older hands, so mine are a little bit more wrinkly. And here I'm up at my knuckle, and I'm just drawing those outside lines that define my hand. Now, you'll notice that I put an area of skin on either side of my fingernail. One common mistake that people oftentimes make is by putting a whole circle at the end of your finger. I call them lollipop fingers. And we don't want lollipop fingers. Come up, I'm going to do my second finger. Once again, I'm going to put in some of those wrinkles by the knuckle, defining that space. And oh, I'm getting to the top of my paper. This is perfect. That means I can go off the edge of my paper. I'm going to come back down here on the side, meet up where that knuckle is. That will be a good landmark. And I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to continue on. Notice I'm drawing nice and slow. Because your thumb does not come out of here. Your thumb is actually down your palm. And I draw down the side of my hand. I have a side view of my thumb. Got a little long. I'm going to fix that. Have my first hand. I am then going to go ahead and I'm going to draw my peace sign. I can turn my paper a little bit. I'm going to draw my peace sign, and I am going to approach the contours much like this, and then I'm going to go on to the fist.